Hey everyone, want to sync your files with Mega? In this video, I'll show you how to sync files using Mega step by step. Yeah, syncing allows you to keep files updated across your computer and cloud storage, making it easier to access your data from different devices. First, download and install the Mega Desktop app on your computer. Make sure you install the official Mega application before starting the sync setup. Next, open the Mega app and sign in with your Mega account. Using the same account on your devices helps keep your files synchronized correctly. After signing in, open the sync settings. Here you can choose which folders on your computer you want to sync with your Mega cloud storage. Now select the local folder on your computer and choose the matching Mega folder for synchronization. This creates a connection between your computer files and your cloud storage. Once the folder pair is selected, enable syncing and save your settings. Mega will begin uploading existing files and keeping future changes updated automatically. You can monitor the sync progress from the Mega Desktop app. New files, edits, and deleted items will be updated according to your synchronization settings. If syncing does not work, check your internet connection, available storage space, and sync permissions. So these quick checks can solve most common synchronization problems. You can also add more synced folders or change existing sync settings whenever needed. This helps you organize different projects, backups, or personal files, and that's how you sync files with Mega. With Mega Sync enabled, your important files can stay updated between your computer and cloud storage automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.